Thinking about upgrading your audio setup in 2025? Whether you're a vinyl lover, a digital streamer, or just someone who wants their music to sound way better, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 stereo amplifiers of 2025, and we've got something for every budget. From solid performers around $100, all the way up to high-end powerhouses crossing the $2,000 mark, these amps deliver on sound, style, and serious value. We'll cover everything from warm analog vibes to clean, modern precision, perfect for everything from casual playlists to critical listening sessions. And our number one pick? Let's just say, it's the kind of amp that makes you fall in love with your music all over again. So stick around, hit that like button, and let's find the perfect stereo amp for your setup. Up next, we have the Fosi Audio BT28 Pro is a standout budget amplifier that offers incredible value for its price of just $99. Despite its compact size, this amplifier packs a powerful punch with 300 watts per channel at 4 ohms, thanks to the efficient TPA3255 Class D amplifier chip. This makes it capable of driving a wide range of passive speakers with clarity and impressive volume. One of the key highlights of the BT28 Pro is its Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, which ensures a stable wireless connection with your smartphone, tablet, or computer for seamless music streaming. For users who prefer wired connections, the amplifier also includes RCA inputs, making it compatible with many home audio sources. Sound customization is easy with the built-in bass and treble controls, allowing you to tailor the audio output to your taste. The amplifier also features a subwoofer pre-out, enabling you to add a dedicated subwoofer for deeper bass response if desired. Thanks to its minimalist and sturdy design, the BT28 Pro is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, whether in your living room, office, or backyard. Its efficient Class D circuitry ensures low heat generation and energy savings. Overall, the Fosi Audio BT28 Pro is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a budget-friendly, versatile, and high-performance stereo amplifier. Number 4. YAMAHA AS501SL is a powerful and reliable integrated stereo amplifier that delivers exceptional sound quality and a sleek silver design for around $599. Known for Yamaha's legendary natural sound philosophy, this amp offers clear, balanced audio that suits a wide variety of music genres. With a robust 85 watts per channel, 8 ohms, the AS501SL provides enough power to drive most bookshelf or floor-standing speakers with ease. It features Yamaha's advanced 2P total purity audio reproduction technology, which minimizes distortion and preserves the original sound's purity. This amplifier is packed with versatile connectivity options, including digital optical and coaxial inputs for connecting TVs, gaming consoles, or media players, alongside traditional analog inputs. It also includes a phono input for vinyl enthusiasts, making it a great choice for both modern and classic setups. The AS501SL's front panel offers easy-to-use tone controls, a large volume knob, and a headphone jack for private listening. Its solid build quality and attractive design make it a centerpiece in any audio setup. If you're looking for a mid-range stereo amplifier that combines power, versatility, and refined sound, the Yamaha AS501SL is an excellent option that delivers great value at $599. Number 3. Marantz PM6007 is a highly regarded integrated stereo amplifier that delivers rich, detailed sound with a classic Marantz warmth. Priced at around $750, this amplifier is perfect for audiophiles seeking refined audio performance in a compact and stylish black chassis. With 45 watts per channel into 8 ohms, the PM6007 provides enough power to drive most bookshelf speakers with excellent control and clarity. It features Marantz's renowned HDM, hyperdynamic amplifier module, technology, which ensures low distortion and wide dynamic range for pristine sound quality. Connectivity is versatile, including digital inputs, optical and coaxial, allowing easy connection to modern digital sources like TVs, CD players, or streaming devices. Audiophiles will appreciate the dedicated phono input supporting cartridges, making it an ideal choice for vinyl lovers. The amplifier offers straightforward tone controls and a high-quality headphone output for personal listening. Its robust build and elegant design make it a great addition to any listening room. Overall, the Marantz PM6007 is an excellent mid-tier amplifier that balances power, clarity, and warmth, delivering a premium audio experience worth every dollar of its $750 price tag. At number 2, we have Cambridge Audio's CX-A81 MkII is a high-performance, integrated stereo amplifier designed for serious audiophiles who demand both power and precision. Priced at around $1,199, this amplifier delivers an impressive 80 watts per channel into 8 ohms, making it capable of driving a wide variety of speakers with exceptional clarity and dynamic range. One of the standout features of the CX-A81 MkII is its inclusion of the ESS Sabre ES9016K2M DAC, which offers high-resolution audio decoding for crystal clear sound with minimal distortion. Whether you're streaming digitally or playing analog sources, this DAC ensures every detail in your music is faithfully reproduced. The amp also supports Bluetooth aptX HD, allowing you to wirelessly stream high-quality audio from your smartphone or tablet without compromising sound integrity. Its robust build quality and sleek lunar gray finish make it an elegant addition to any HiFi setup. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including multiple analog and digital inputs, a dedicated headphone output, and preamp outputs for expansion. The CX-A81 MkII's balanced sound signature combines warmth with transparency, perfect for everything from intimate jazz to energetic rock. If you want a powerful, versatile amplifier that blends modern technology with superb sound quality, the Cambridge Audio's CX-A81 MkII is a top-tier choice worth the $1,199 investment. Claiming the top spot at number 1 is the NAD C 399 Hybrid Digital DAC Amplifier, is a powerhouse designed for audiophiles who demand uncompromising sound quality and cutting-edge technology. Priced at approximately $2,199, this amplifier blends digital precision with analog warmth to deliver an immersive listening experience that stands out in 2025. With a robust 150 watts per channel into 8 ohms, the C399 can easily drive demanding speakers with effortless control and clarity. Its hybrid digital amplification technology provides high efficiency and ultra-low distortion, ensuring your music sounds clean and dynamic at any volume. One of the amplifier's highlights is the advanced built-in DAC, supporting high-resolution formats and offering multiple digital inputs including USB, coaxial, and optical. This makes it a versatile hub for both analog and digital sources, perfect for integrating vinyl players, CD transports, and streaming devices. The C399 also features customizable bass and treble controls, a high-quality headphone output, and preamp outputs for future upgrades. Its sleek design combines functionality with modern aesthetics, fitting seamlessly into any high-end audio setup. If you're ready to invest in a top-tier amplifier that offers a blend of power, clarity, and advanced features, the NAD C399 is worth every dollar of its $2,199 price tag. Whether you're starting your HiFi journey or upgrading to a powerful amp, 2025 has great options for every budget. From the budget-friendly Fosi Audio BT28 Pro under $100 to the premium NAD C399, with flagship performance, these amps bring your music to life. Remember, the right amp depends on your speakers, room, and sound taste. Take your time choosing, and one of these 5 will boost your audio setup. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite amp below.